Lesson 2. Okay, let's start with something from before. What was the word for coffee? The correct answer is…
Kawa.
And how would you say, I want coffee? The answer is…
Chcę kawę.
And yes, I want coffee?
Tak, chcę kawę. Tak, chcę kawę.
Yes, I want coffee. That's our recap over. Now, moving on, there's another group of words that will feel familiar as well. Words like intelligent and romantic. These follow a simple pattern in Polish. If you're describing yourself as a man, they usually end in y. If you're describing yourself as a woman, that ending becomes a instead. So, intelligent is
Inteligentny.
for a man or
Inteligentna.
for a woman. One more thing you'll need to know. I am in Polish is…
Jestem.
Given this, how would you say, I am intelligent? Take your time to answer. If you're a man, the answer should be…
Jestem inteligentny.
If you're a woman, the answer is…
Jestem inteligentna.
so,
Jestem inteligentny.
or…
Jestem inteligentna.
depending on the gender of who you're describing, in this case, your own. And the word romantic follows the same pattern and becomes either
Romantyczny. Romantyczny.
or,
Romantyczna. Romantyczna.
using
I.
to mean and. How would you personally then say, I am intelligent and romantic? If you're a man, the answer is…
Jestem inteligentny i romantyczny.
if you're a woman…
Jestem inteligentna i romantyczna.
Now, a new word. I have in Polish is…
Mam. Mam.
Remember how, when you wanted something like water,
Woda.
had to change to
Wodę.
because it was feminine? That shift has a name. It's called the accusative case. The accusative case is what a word becomes when it's the direct object of the sentence, the thing the verb is aimed at, whether or not anything is physically happening to it. It used when it's the thing in the sentence, what you want, what you have, or what the sentence is about doing something with. This will get clearer with more use. Well, what happens to masculine words in the accusative form? Luckily, in many cases, nothing at all. A masculine word often stays exactly as it is, even when it's the thing you have or want. The following 3 words are masculine, so they will not require changes in this form. First, the word for bread is…
Chleb.
So, how would you say, I have bread? The answer is…
Mam chleb. Mam chleb.
I have bread. The word for milk is…
Mleko.
how would you say, I have milk? The answer is…
Mam mleko.
and finally, apple is…
Jabłko.
how would you say, I have an apple? The answer is…
Mam jabłko.
Now, like in the first lesson, a feminine word. Unsurprisingly, the word for woman is feminine in Polish, and that word is…
Kobieta. Kobieta.
Remember, words like this, ending in a, change that ending to e when they're the thing you have or want. So, how would you say, I have a woman? Meaning, perhaps, a woman is with you or present. The answer is…
Mam kobietę. Mam kobietę.
I have a woman. Now let's combine a masculine word and a feminine word in the same sentence. How would you say, I have bread and a woman? Remember the word for and was…
I.
so, I have bread and a woman. The answer…
Mam chleb i kobietę. Mam chleb i kobietę.
Notice,
Chleb.
didn't change at all, but
Kobieta
became
kobietę.
That's because while both nouns must change endings in the accusative case, and we do see that change with
Kobieta,
which became
kobietę.
the masculine word for bread,
Chleb.
however, in the accusative form just happens to have the same ending as the standard nominative case. Maybe this makes things slightly easier.